Hello and welcome my friend, and today I'd like to show you that how to open these Mercedes-Benz cars, like these E-Class cars, these electric connectors, because this electric cable and connector, where's the sensor, there is really interesting German Mercedes-Benz idea. And firstly I need flathead screwdriver, and firstly I have to move this locking pin like couple of millimeters. This is the trick. And then there is second thing, that I have to press this white part in down, and same time I pull out this. This is really interesting German Mercedes-Benz engineering. It is like two-step thing. Look, now I close that in this way, and then this is locking pin. Okay, really nice. And opening happens so that again flathead screwdriver, and firstly little bit movement, and after that I have to press this white part down and same time away. And the interesting thing is that this system is all parts are hard plastic, and these white parts breaks really easily, and this is really sensitive part, and if this goes broken we have to go to visit in Mercedes-Benz dealership center, and then we need to install new this connector in here. This is really, when I couple of times open these parts, this part, white part, broken and becomes bad. Okay, and there is this locking pin, and this is really Mercedes way to do connectors. That kind of interesting information to you, my friend.